Hey Las Vegas, have you been looking for a fully decked out, modern 2-story home with all the finishings you want and love? If so, this is the home for you. One of my favorite features of this home is this massive quartz countertop island. And did I mention, this kitchen leads into a spacious dining room that overlooks your 45-foot heated lap pool. My second favorite feature of this home is the downstairs master with direct access to the spa. So one of the first things you notice as you get upstairs is this spacious loft and the massive windows that just let all the natural light in. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. My name is Nicholas Avendroth with Signature Real Estate Group. If you'd like to see more of this home, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be glad to set up a private showing.